Hello everyone. Next, let's take a moment to discuss the professional ethics of project managers. Regarding this topic, if we could sum it up in 2 words, it would be seiji. What does it take to be a sage? To establish a moral standard, to define the purpose of life, to carry on the legacy of wisdom, and bring peace to all under heaven. Wow, you might think this has nothing to do with you, right? You're still a ways off, but don't worry. Take your time and hear me out. As a project manager, within PMI's value system, you're expected to be upright, kind, and brave, proactive, responsible, and a problem solver. Someone with strong work ethics, able to keep secrets, and respect the work of others. Such a person respects others. They possess many exceptional qualities. If you've ever looked through these kinds of textbooks, you'll find they describe the qualities of a Mr. or Miss Perfect. So let's just call them a seiji. If you still find that hard to grasp, try thinking of it this way. When you're answering questions and you see certain options that seem a bit underhanded, don't choose them. You should go for the options that exude integrity. Got it? Pick the ones with that integrity. Next, let's take a look at some skills of a project manager. First, a crucial thing is that you'll spend a lot of time managing communication and coordination. You need to manage various relationships and conflicts and handle all sorts of communication and coordination. As for the specifics of managing relationships and conflicts, we'll cover that in detail in resource and communication management. Let's get a basic overview first, including building trust with others. Then find some common ground and balance competing goals. What are competing goals or even conflicting goals? If you want to move faster, you might need a bigger budget. But if you want to spend less, you might need to cut some scope. If you don't want to cut anything, you might have to cut corners, sacrifice quality. So these factors compete with each other. So as a project manager, you need to strike a balance between these competing goals. Every project has a core goal. You need to balance things, keeping that core goal in mind. This requires skills of persuasion, negotiation, and compromise, and problem solving. So what are we really talking about here? It's about conflict management. Even your teeth bite your tongue sometimes. Wherever there are people, there will be conflicts. Conflicts are inevitable, and you'll need to spend a lot of time managing relationships to resolve conflicts. And of course, there's more to it. This includes a lot of communication. Project managers often spend over 90% of their time on communication, communicating with team members, clients, management, and supervisors. Engaging with all these different parties is crucial. Here's what you need to do. Specifically, how to communicate and execute it. He also mentioned what questions to ask, listening, and using effective methods to provide feedback and communicate. We'll cover this in the project communication management section. We'll go into detail in that chapter. That's it for this section. Thank you for watching.